Foof Facial Mud Mask. This natural Dead Sea black mud enriched with antioxidant elements and herbal extracts. This amazing natural formula will give you the silkier skin by drawing out oils and impurities from your deepest pores. The mineral content refreshes, revitalizes your skin, and controls wrinkle development. Hear how to use Foof Facial Mud Mask. On a clean skin, apply mud gently, avoiding eye area. Leave for about 20 minutes until it dries well. Rinse thoroughly with water. Dry face and enjoy the skin smoothness difference. And for maximum results, apply Foof Face Moisturizer when done. Repeat twice weekly and feel beautiful.